Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover how to find the diameter of a circle given the radius. So I have two circles here and I'm going to show you with both of them. So first some explanation about the diameter and the radius. So the radius of a circle is the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. So the length of a line segment that connects to the center to any point on the circle. So I'm going to show you. This is the center of the circle where this dot is, and it can connect anywhere on the circle. Doesn't have to be straight left or straight right. It can go diagonal up, diagonal down, can go anywhere as long as it's straight and as long as it starts from the middle. So, on the other hand, a diameter is a line segment that connects 2 points on a circle, and it has to go through the center. So it cuts or divides the circle into half, so into two equal pieces. So a diameter is basically a radius times 2. So the radius goes to the center, but the diameter goes straight through the middle. Again, this doesn't have to be straight, like from up to bottom or from the left to the right. It can also go like this. If it touches the center of the circle, it's always a diameter, if the line goes straight through. So, to compare, a radius goes from the center to any point on the circle, while the diameter goes all the way across the circle. And through the center, this means that the diameter is twice or 2 times the length of a radius. All we have to do is multiply the given radius by 2 to get the length of a diameter. So, I've given you guys two examples and two radiuses, and we're gonna find the diameter of these two circles. So, diameter equals radius times 2. As we know, our radius is 9 centimeters. So, diameter equals 9 times 2, which will get us 18. So, our first diameter, our first answer and the diameter equals 18. So, from this side touches this and to the other side is our diameter. So, the diameter is 18. So, on to the second example. It's exactly the same thing. As you can see, the line starts from the top, but as I told you guys, it doesn't matter where it starts from. As long as it's touching the center and going straight to any point of the circle. So, now our radius is 30. So, as we know, diameter equals radius times 2. And our radius here is 30. So, our diameter will be 30 times 2, which equals 60. So, our diameters will be 18 and 60. The first one was 18, the second one was 60. Often people mess up the two words, and sometimes they think the radius is the diameter and the diameter is the radius, but don't don't let these two words fool you, because they've a pretty different way of showing you the circle. So the diameter goes straight through and cuts the circle in half, and the radius is from the center to any point of the circle. This was my video on how to find the diameter of a circle given the radius. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and understand the video now. If you guys liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.